back to my channel today. Venita don't come under fire after a particular blogger come out come expose the plan wey be say she plan against Mercy Eke. And also congratulations are in order for Adekunle after his big announcement. So of recent, Adekunle come and come make an announcement say he don venture into acting, and na wetin dey keep am busy since. As we all know, he go Techno sponsor their trip to AFCON. Na that place where dem dey play football. They don come back. Abi na no be Cote d'Ivoire dem dey call that place. Na there na dey go play the ball now. So him dey there since the vacation for that side. Dey enjoy, dey watch, dey meet footballers. Just dey enjoy your life. So he don come out today to come explain to say see he don venture into acting. So he come out come put this picture out to take make the big announcement. So congratulations to him. Are they very happy say all of them they don dey venture into acting, starting a new career apart from the one wey be say they follow before they enter into the Big Brother Naija. So na big win. So onto Venita matter with Mercy Eke, a particular blogger come out come call out Venita, say Venita pay am to dey drag Mercy Eke all the time. So according to the blogger come out come dey explain to say Venita dey pay am make he dey drag Mercy Eke, even when they as in since they come out of the show, say na Venita dey pay the blogger na Sabi Radio. So when Venita come hear the news, she come talk say make she come debunk the rumor, come dey give plenty explanation with receipt. So I go just read wetin the blogger talk, then I go read everything wey be say Venita talk about the matter and how fans still react to the news. So the blogger come say Venita's team reached out to pay and have us lie against Mercy Eke following her vindictive act in the house. Now you are trying to act the victim, mean girl of the season for a reason. We have screenshots ready after you provide yours. We are busy over here trying to promote a movie, but you think anyone give a F about you? Prove. See wetin Adekunle don cause. How Adekunle matter na take enter inside this fight with Mercy Eke and Venita, that I never still understand. If you dey watch this video and you never subscribe, try make you subscribe, like this video, help me share am, and drop your comment for the comment section below. Una thank you. So as the blogger drop this thing, Venita come out for her page, come start to dey give explanation. So she can't say story time. There's a vindictive desperado who is so blunt I didn't grant them an interview. They literally post me every week with trashy headlines for numbers. According to Venita, she dey claim to say the reason why the particular blogger they come lie for her head now because the blogger tried to reach out to her several times to grant an interview to them, but Venita no gree. Venita come bring proof of the conversation where we say happened between her team and the particular blogger. So this is the conversation. I don't know. Now the blogger na first, I been na Venita na first say hi. The blogger come say we have to move tomorrow. Awaiting your feedback. So the team, Venita team, come to say hello, good evening. So we wouldn't be able to do the interview. So the blogger come answer, come say so we won't have a section with Venita. Venita has been going about her media rant and we see no reason why you won't oblige us. You of all people, we didn't think this should be an issue. Please let us know how to get around it. So that na the receipt where Venita bring at. This is where she said, let me start light. Receipt 1. Before she started bullying my handler with phone calls and threats. This already after saying no twice. Mean say Venita don tell the particular blogger say she no dey interested in granting the interview 2 times, and the blogger see dey press her for interview. As Venita dey do the explanation, Angel, you know say Angel Smith na Venita friend, they na close party after the house. So the wetin be her name, Angel come out to come defend her friend. So Angel come say is it Sabi Radio, cause na her work be that. Na so Venita come to say dirty dog called Cora, imagine trying to break into our hotel room, banging on my door 3 times in 1 week, literally harassing me. Miracle has been apologizing since, extremely unprofessional. I don't know what it concern Miracle. Abi they be friends, I don't know. Maybe they do podcast together, who knows. But as Venita still dey even give the explanation, Mercy Eke fans dem no even wan hear anything wey be say she dey talk. They don carry out their shakabula say, oh boy, they must gun down this lady o. And so they start to dey drag her o, they start to insult her. So the first person here come say, you collected money from people to sabotage Mercy Eke. Now you want us to fight your battle? Go fight your fight yourself. Mercy Eke is only available for enjoyment and peace of mind. If you come correct, come clean. Another one come say, Venita Oloribu, they really try to whitewash that woman in front of our very eyes. Someone that confessed to blocking deals for V. This is not far off. Silly old fool. The V where this person dey refer to na V for lockdown season. The person dey claim to say Venita block road for V during that time wey be say they see they do endorsement deal. So now she block the endorsement deal where they supposed give V that period. Another person come say, Bira so wish when not pass this one. Venita swear, God forbid. No wonder Adekunle ran for his life. Venita further bring out, I mean, the blogger find further bring out this explanation say na just reach out to Venita to ask her certain question after Venita had already come across to make dey lie about Mercy. At the end of the day, the blogger not really tell us wetin really dey vex am. Maybe now because of the fact say Venita not gree grant her the interview where they find now make her the vex come and come dey spill all this secret. So the blogger come still come post this picture here, come say these are the questions wey be say in wan ask Venita before. Because we'll be sending the few questions shortly. You are arguably the most creative housemate this season, planned and won most of the creativity tasks. What gives her the inspiration? What do you want people to focus more on that you are out of the house? How come you exercise so much control despite being in a ship? Would you have done anything differently to win the money? Where does your relationship with Mesieke stand at this time? Who is the fakest housemate of the season? Promote your brand. So Benita team can answer say, okay, please give me a minute, and that's fine. It's okay. So at the end of the day, they not grant the particular blogger the interview, and I can make the blogger come out, come they spill Venita's secrets to the whole world. To me, I not believe say Venita go get the mind to stoop so low to pay bloggers to drag Mesieke. Like, why she go behave like that? And because they just say there's no smoke without fire. That blogger not fit just come out all of a sudden say Venita pay him to lie against Mesieke. It's not possible. It's not possible say the blogger they lie like that. Fine, we know say bloggers they lie, but this one small truth go there for inside. Venita better ready because Mesieke fans this night I sure say na her head they go open space. And I sure say they go because since this news come out, they don't they insult her online, they have been dragging her. As a matter of fact, everybody fave, most of them, if there's me they divide the Big Brother Naija people into three parts. Two parts they pay bloggers most of the time to come drag a particular fave. That's what they do. So make nobody form sense among any of them. With the way things they go, I'm not sure say Mesieke and Venita they go ever resolve their differences because so many things, so many secrets don't come out, so many things have been said where we say person if you take back, but we still the root for the both of them. I hope two of them go find a common ground to settle their differences. Una take care, una bye.